Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my YouTube channel for those of you who are new. Today I'm filming a day in the life vlog, so I thought I'd bring you along as I go through my day off and show you everything that I'm getting into today. I am a piano teacher and I love teaching piano, but on my days off, this is a little bit of what I do. So follow along and I'll show you everything that happens in a day in my life. So I love to start my day by making a list of everything that needs to be accomplished. I've found that if I write it down, it helps hold me accountable to getting that done throughout that day. So first thing I'm going to accomplish on my list is getting this room cleaned up, making the bed, and putting all the clothes away. It's crazy how messy my room gets from day to day, but it is a never-ending job that I have to stay on top of. If you love to watch cleaning videos, organizational videos, or lifestyle videos, please be sure to hit subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. If you'd like to watch my closet organizational video, I will put the link in the description box below so you can check it out there. Does anybody else have an order of how they straighten up their room? I like to make my bed first, and then I pile all the clothes on my bed, and then I clean everything else, and then lastly I go and put all those clothes away. If you have an order of how you clean your room, comment down below and let me know what it is. I'd love to hear about it. I do have a room organizational video coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. There is just something about starting your day with a clean room. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's something that has to do with your mindset that just makes you feel so much more productive and ready to conquer the day. I love having a wax warmer going in my room pretty much at all times throughout the day. And the newest scent that I'm loving is the Pina Colada scent by Better Homes and Gardens. I'll put it in the description box below, but it smells so much like summer to me. I love it. I decided to do a quick little clean sweep throughout the living room area and dining room area and just get that ready for our day 2. As you can see, my bathroom gets extremely messy very quickly. When I'm getting ready, I don't hardly put anything away, so by the time I'm done getting ready, the bathroom is almost a complete disaster. So this is a daily thing to go in there and take a few minutes to put everything away. I have to stay on top of this one too. Also, I have a bathroom organizational video as well that I'll put in the description box below if you'd like to see it. And here I am, I get to cross 3 things off of my list. It feels so good to get things crossed off of a list. So I thought I would show you all what I eat in a day. So here's my breakfast. I ate a fried egg and half of an English muffin. And my newest obsession is Frank's Red Hot sauce, the buffalo sauce. I like to put it over my fried egg. Also, I do Weight Watchers, so this breakfast only cost me 2 points. I do like to spend some time on the piano every single day, whether it's practicing in my books or just spending some time learning new songs or going over old songs. It helps keep everything pretty fresh in my mind. I try to drink about 100 ounces of water each day, give or take some, but I've found that if I keep water cold in the fridge, that it's more enjoyable to drink rather than going to the sink and getting warm or lukewarm water out of the faucet. It's just nice to have that cool, refreshing drink throughout the day. So the last thing on my list today is to edit my video. Since I'm a new YouTuber, I think it takes me a little bit longer than the normal to get videos edited, so I try to spend some time on it every single day, but I am so enjoying the process of learning how to edit, and I'm so excited to see where this channel goes. And now I'm finally done with all of my to-dos for the day, and it feels so amazing to be done with this list. So me and my sister decided to come take a little walk outside with the dog, get some exercise and some fresh air. It's a little bit overcast today, so we're having to substitute our time for swimming for walking. Maybe if it heats up a little bit more, we'll go jump in the pool later, but for right now, this is what we're doing. So I thought I would show you all how we clean our fruits and vegetables. We do use a Kangen water machine to clean all of our produce, and the stuff that comes off of these fruits and vegetables is unbelievable. So as you can see, after we pulled out all the grapes, that there was lots of dirt, and the water was pretty cloudy after we cleaned them. So a good healthy lunch that I've been enjoying recently is a salad with romaine lettuce. I just love it so much better than the regular iceberg lettuce. To me, it just tastes way better. I also throw some tomato on top of the salad and some buffalo-style chicken from Sam's Club and top it off with some ranch, and it's about 3 or 4 Weight Watchers points and completely delicious. After lunch, I just took some time to relax and check Instagram and just enjoy the quietness of this afternoon. And then later, my sister and I decided to go jump in the pool and get a little bit of exercise. Now, I usually like to save most of my Weight Watchers points for dinner. That is kind of when I splurge a little bit and eat whatever my mom has made. So as you can see, she made some yummy chicken and rice and bread and corn on the cob and salad, so I enjoyed that very much. But thank you so much for watching this day in the life video. I had so much fun making and filming this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.